Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you about one-sided limit. So let's get started by writing the correct notation. So first thing first, if we want to write the limit of x plus 2 as x approaches 3. Okay, so how we are going to write this? Okay, so the limit, we write the lim over here, and then next we write the of the function x plus 2. Okay, and then as x approaches 3, I write x approaches 3. Okay, so as you can see, that is the order and that is the way of writing it. This is the notation. So please take note that these 3 come as one thing. Okay, you cannot write limit x approaching 3 equals 4 plus x. Okay, most of the time I saw students I always see students writing like this. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, so that's why I share with you the correct notation to write it first. Okay, like this. Okay, make sure the limit, the x plus 2 and the x approaches 3 are written like this. Okay, so this is the way lah. But now when we consider one-sided limit, means limit can come from the right or from the left. Okay, now so I'm interested to know to write this one. Okay, so first is this one lah. Okay, so x3, we say this, what is the sentence? As x approaches 3. So x arrow 3, this one, the symbol I copy paste from here, means as x approaches 3. Okay, now how to write x approaches 3 from the right? Simple. X approaches 3 from the right. Okay, so that is the way of writing it. Okay, so the sentence is as x approaches 3 from the right. Okay, now you notice if that symbol fall from the right, so how to write from the left? Just put this symbol. Okay, as x approaches 3 from the left. Okay, so simple. Okay, now so we've got this on how to write it properly. Okay, maybe you excuse me for a moment. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's consider this function. Okay, this piecewise function. Okay, and then from here, let's say we want to find the limit of fx, this function lah, the whole thing lah, the piecewise as x approaches 2 from the left. Okay, so where to get 2 from the left? Okay, easy. Now where is 2? 2 here, right? So remember, when 2 from the left, so the value of x is less than 2. Okay, so remember when we say 2 from the left, this symbol, this symbol lah actually. Okay, it essentially means the x's are less than 2. That's why they are from the left. They are less than 2. So maybe we zoom a little bit. So as you can see here, as x approaching 2 from the left, how about the function? Okay, we start from here. When x is this value, maybe 1.3, this is This is 0 point something actually. Oh well. Now, when the x is here, the y is here, right? When we get the x is closer, you notice the y is getting smaller. Let's say first from here and then going towards this value. This is 0. Okay, so the answer is 0. Okay, now let's find the limit of fx as x approaches 2 from the right. Okay, and maybe we use green lah pula this time. Okay, now let's have a look. Okay, now just now I said when 2 from the left, the x's are less than 2. How about 2 from the right? It means the x's are greater than 2. Yeah lah, makes sense lah, because this is our 2, right? When we have a number line, I don't want to okay, I don't want to scribble there and then too many scribbles. Okay, now 2. So when the x's are approaching from the right, so the values possible are 2.1, 2.01, and then 2.001, which are these three are more than 2. Okay, so yeah, that's the main idea lah. Okay, so maybe we zoom a little bit. Now, where are the values of x greater than 2? Somewhere here. Okay, so this is the red arrow as x approaches 2 from the right. Okay, so this is 2 from the right. Okay, maybe I use this one lah. Right here, 2 from the left. Okay, let me make it smaller lah. Too big. 2 from the right. Okay, better. Now, when the x is here, the y is here, right? You notice? Okay. And then when when the x is here, the y is here. You see, at first the y is somewhere here. I don't know the value lah because I didn't substitute with the exact value. And also we don't know what the fx is exactly because this is a piecewise function. So the function must be complex enough lah. Complicated enough for us to ganti some more. Okay, and then now when x is here, okay, closer to 2, the y is here. You see? And now when it's closer to 2, somewhere here. So we can see as x move closer to 2, the y, the limit of fx is closer to this value, which is 2 lah. Okay, so it is 2. Okay. Okay, now maybe from this function you want to find the limit of fx, okay, as x approaches 4 from the right. Okay, and then limit x approaches 4 from the left. Okay, sorry, I didn't write it according to the way I say it. Okay, now, so let's do the first one. Or maybe you want to do first, and then you pause this video, and then you check your answer with me. Okay. Okay, I hope you done already. Okay, now let's check the answers. Okay, now from the right. So from the right, I use green lah. Okay, now maybe I get rid of this. I'm afraid you will get confused. This one also get rid. No need, but oh well. Now, so 4 from the x here. The 4 is here. X approaches 4. Okay, so from the right, 4 from the right is somewhere here. Okay, so when x here, the y is here. When x here, the y is here. Getting increasing. When x here, y is here. So as x approaches 4, the y is approaches 4 as well. So the limit of fx as x approaches 4 from the right is 4. Okay, now let's proceed to the second one. Okay, now to avoid confusion, I get rid of these. Okay, now 4 from the left. So 4 from the left somewhere here. Okay, so the values are somewhere here, which is less than 4. So this one, so when x is that, the y is that. When x is that, the y is that. When x is that, the y is that. And then getting closer, the x is getting closer to 4. Okay, now as you can see, when I move the x closer to 4, what happened to this function is that the value of y moved towards 4. Okay, so the limit of fx as x approaches 4 from the left is also 4. Okay. Okay, I think from the examples, I hope you benefit from it. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.